Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.2, question 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at point O. Show that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. So we have to show, means we have to prove the ratios are equal. So whenever ratios are equal is given to you and the ratios are equal, we have to prove, and line is parallel, it is given, then which theorem we have to use? Basic proportionality theorem, theorem 6.1, because parallel line is given to us, we have to prove ratio. So basic proportionality theorem is, I suppose by now you know it, all the sums I have explained to you, that if there is a triangle and the line is parallel, if this line is parallel to this line, that means this side will be equal to this side and this will be equal to this side, meaning to say this ratio is equal to ratio of this side. Okay, if this is ABC, means if DE, if you consider, if the lines are parallel, then AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon AC. So ratio we prove, when the line is parallel. So here it is given, line is parallel. So what we have to prove? Ratio we have to prove. That means basic proportionality theorem only we have to use. So first of all, we have to construct, let us see. ABCD is a trapezium. So we have drawn the ABCD trapezium, where AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. These two lines are parallel and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. So let's draw the diagonal. Diagonal means opposite vertex you have to join. So join A with C and B with D. Okay. So these two diagonals, AC is a diagonal, BD is another diagonal. They intersect at point O. Now, what we have to show? We have to show the ratio, that is AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. So these two diagonals, they are intersecting. That means these two sides ratio of will be equal to the other two sides. Okay. So now what we have to do? Let us take now what are the things given to us. We'll write down. So what is given to us? Given to us is ABCD is a trapezium. Is a trapezium. And where AB is parallel to DC. So this is given to us. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. We have to prove this. So for that we have to do the construction here, because to prove that, for example, if you take this diagonal BD, then we don't have anywhere parallel line for this. If you take this diagonal, we don't have anywhere for this parallel, we don't have anything. So what we have to do? First we have to construct, because we need a parallel line. If you take any triangle, for one side of this, one side of the triangle, you need one parallel line, then only we can prove the ratios. So we need a parallel line, therefore we will construct. Construction. So what construction we are going to do is, we'll take here one point and then we construct parallel. Okay, parallel to this. Okay, let's consider this is parallel. Okay, this is the point. Okay, we take the point E, parallel. Now this line, because these two are parallel, already it is said ABE is parallel to DC. So we will construct a parallel line EO, which will be parallel. This is, if we extend, this line will be parallel to AB also. This line will be parallel to DC also. So both are parallel lines. So we are constructing such way one line. If you are extending, then EO, this line will be parallel to AB. This line is also parallel to DC. Okay. So we are constructing a line such a way that OE is parallel to, this line is parallel to AB, and also OE is parallel to DC. Okay, this is the construction we are doing. Now let's start proving. Okay, prove. So when we have to prove, we need a triangle first, because when it is parallel in triangle only you can prove the ratio. So we have to find the triangle here. So let's take the triangle. If this is a parallel line and this is also is parallel line, so we'll take this diagonal AC. Okay, so let's take this triangle. This triangle will take A, D, C, and this. Okay, this triangle we are taking. Okay, of this triangle, now you know that ADC is the triangle. In this triangle, DC becomes the base, and DC and EO, these two lines are parallel by construction. You see, OE is parallel to DC by construction. So we can write that in triangle ADC. EO. EO is parallel to DC. Okay, how? By construction. We have constructed, right? By construction. So now, if this is parallel, can we use the PPT theorem? Because if this is parallel, the ratio will be equal. See, if DE is parallel to BC, if this is parallel, okay, if this is parallel, then AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. So this is PPT theorem. Okay, so that's what we are going to use. If these two lines are parallel, then their ratios, both the side, the ratios will be equal. So that's what we are going to write. So AE. So by PPT theorem, we can say AE upon ED. AD will be equal to AO upon OC. Okay, so let's consider this as equation 1. Now same way, let's take the another diagonal now. Okay, so we can write similarly in triangle. Let's take another diagonal. We have taken AC. So now we'll take another diagonal, that is BD. BD is our another this is another diagonal. So AC we finished, so we take the BD. So if you take another diagonal, then which triangle is formed? Because construction is here, right? So we have to consider this. So this is parallel to AB. So let's take this. This is our AB is parallel to EO. So we'll take this triangle. Okay, so that means in triangle ABD, in that EO is parallel to AB. This also by construction. Okay, so if they are parallel, then we can say by BPT theorem, we can write the ratio. So this is the base and this is the parallel. That means ratio will be this side and this side. So this is triangle is like this, right? Base, then parallel line. So both the side will be ratio. So this is base, this is parallel. So these two side will become the ratios will be equal. So can we write AE upon ED upon is equal to DO upon OB. So AE upon ED will be equal to BO upon OD. Okay, So we have taken this side, we have taken this side ratio will be equal to the other side. Okay, let's consider this as equation 2. So now look at equation 1 and 2. This is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. You see here AE upon ED. Here also AE upon ED. Okay, so both are same. So left side, if it is same, means right side also can be equal to each other. So therefore, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we have AO upon OC is equal to BO upon OD. So AO upon OC is what actually? AO upon OC. AO upon OC is equal to BO upon OD. Okay, up to there we have come. Now cross multiply. Why we are doing this cross multiplication? Because we have to prove AO upon BO. Okay, AO upon BO, but our BO is this side. That's why we do the cross multiplication. Okay, so we get the OC will go, OC is in division. When it goes that side, it will go to multiplication, and BO is in multiplication. When it comes to this side, it will go to division. So we'll write AO upon BO equal to OC upon OD. So we have proved now. See, AO upon BO upon OC or a CO, whatever it is, the same. So we have proved. Hence, proved. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.